Hello boys and girls, welcome back to our new video. Today I am going to make a air piston cylinder. Okay, so as you can see, this is the air piston cylinder. His all are assembled here. Okay, so we will assemble in this solid one. Okay, so in this video we will make only the base part. Okay, you can see here the base part is here. Okay, so this is the base part. Okay, you can see this is a square shape here, and its dimension, all the dimension are inch pound second. Okay, IPS system. Okay, so you have seen here 2.85. This is okay. So we will cut here and cut their material, and inside this plane also we will cut. Okay, so in this video we will make only the base part. Okay, after next video we will make the connecting bolt, and after that we will cover all this part, and after the final we will make an assembly. Okay, so we will assemble like this. Okay, so before dive into the solid work, so once again I want to just tell you happy Dasara to everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy, wear mask often. Okay, and happy Dasara to my best friend, one and only Subham Saurabh, the B18 guy. This is the topper guy, the very talented guy. Vedant Kedia, Astos 2.0, and many more friends, and such friend Nikhil's. Okay, Nikhil, Arun, and many more friends we have. Okay, so these guys are all from BITs. Okay, so happy Dasara, bro. So let's dive into the solid work. Okay, so we are here in the SolidWorks. You can see here the canvas, and this is design tree, and this you can see here the command bar. Okay, so we have the lot of features here: extruded cut, revolve bus. This is the swept loft. We have lots of features here. Okay, and now I'm gonna make the base part. Okay, for assembly the air piston cylinder. Okay. Okay, so just go to this design tree, choose any plane. I will choose this top plane. Okay, and sketch this. Okay, this is correct. IPS. Take a center rectangle. Okay, dimension this. This is about 2.875. 2 point, sorry, yeah, 875, and this is okay, also 2.875. Okay, and you can see here the sketch is not fully defined. So you can see here the sketch is not fully defined. Just click the center rectangle here, and this origin, and coincident this. You can see our sketch is fully defined now. Now we will go to the feature and extruded boss command. Okay, just click it. Okay, and we want the this bar to 0.50 thickness. Okay, 0.50. So click OK, and you can see here our this bar has been created here. Now I want to go for the chamfer. Okay, so down the fillet you can see here the chamfer. So I want the chamfer here, this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. Okay, sorry. Okay, this edge. So this is the shortcut trick is that if you want to chamfer to all this edge, just click here to this face. Okay, and you can see here that all the demo chamfer has been created here. So just create, I want to chamfer to 0.250. Okay, so 0.250. So click OK. You can see the chamfer has created here, and now I want to cut a piece of material by doing a, so choose just this plane and click sketch, make the normal view, take a circle and dimension this circle is about this circle is about 0.25. Okay, 0.25. Okay, and from this center to this edge is about 1.438. 1.438. Sorry guys for background noise is coming. And again this center to this is about 1.438. 1.438. Okay, and now we will use the extruded cut here. Okay, cut this and cut the about 0.125. 0.125, sorry, 0.125. Okay, and just hit click. Okay, so you can see the material has been cut it off from this face. Okay, now again we have to cut from this face. Okay, so just click OK at sketch, make a normal view, take a circle. Okay, dimension this circle is about 0.5. Okay, and again from this center to this edge is about 1.438. 1.438. Okay, and again from this center to this edge is about 1.438. 1.438. Okay, so this is done here. Now I want to use the extruded cut here. Okay, so we want to cut up to up to this surface. Okay, I want to cut this up to, I want to choose this surface. Okay, I want to cut this surface. Okay, you can see in the PDF file. I will upload the PDF file in the description box. You can see just. Okay, so you can see here our this base part has been generated here in the canvas. So next video I will go for the next part. Okay, stay tuned guys. Happy Dasara to everyone.